Henry? Yes, sir. Good morning. I would like to ask you to take the trucks from the yard. Alright. So that's my job for today. Not just for that. So you have to do some normal jobs. Even your flying keeper will postpone till tomorrow. Okay. Aha! Before I forget this, you will have to use a regular call. Wait, what about my special call? I'm sorry, but your call haven't arrived yet. Sir, I'm not happy with it. I can do it. Shut up, better do it now. I want to leave now. Bye. But, sir, but, Shh. I am really hate this disaster. Duh. Oh, hi there, Henry. Shut up, you little bull. Are you okay, Henry? Oh, holy cow. Why would he ignore me? Hi there, Henry. Slow down, please. Keep quiet. Duh. Henry, watch out. Henry, look what have you done. Duh. Hi, Henry. I have to fix it now. Henry, keep quiet. Holly, I think he's not happy. He's angry. Thanks for the trucks, Henry. Can I go now? Henry, I think you seem being mad and you have less energy. So I would like to advise you take take some fresh coal and water and okay, that's right. Whatever. Henry, stay positive. Duh. I'm not happy, so I'm not do what workers say. I think there was a horse on the line. Duh, he's such so coach. You horse? Henry, slow down. Shut up and good seats. The horse have leave now. Suddenly, Henry puts on his brake. Duh, what is next? Oh God, I feel like I am ran out of coal and water. Why don't you ensure that you have all of it? Wait, did I just bump it into rocks? Holy Jesus! I see the rocks fell down. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God! This is nasty. Henry, are you okay? Terence, you're stupid. I'm sorry, it's my fault. Please forgive me. Toot. Oh my God, what's going on? Are you okay? I got wrecked by rocks. Sorry, I didn't mean to do this to you. It just was my fault. Never mind, I'm gonna get some help. Alright, what's going on here? The rocks fell into a mist, sir. Sorry, I didn't mean to do this to you. I just suddenly bumped into rocks. Please forgive me, Sir Henry. You silly was distracted. Henry, you are the silly big engine. Duh. Never mind, now you can go back to the shed. Alright, sir. Okay, sir. I told you so, Henry. What? I told you you need a coal and water first before you do your jobs. Fine. So, did you understand this was your fault? Yes, I should be more careful in the future. Thanks for advising me. No problem.